Dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter, electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is made up of two terms. One is the electro, that means electric current. Chemistry deals with the chemical reaction. In this chapter, mainly we will study how can we get the chemical reaction out of electric current by making use of electric current, and how can we get electrical output by a redox chemical reaction, a chemical reaction which is redox in nature. First topic that we have to study in this is an electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell, here is the galvanic cell. This galvanic cell consists of two half cells. This is one half cell, this is another half cell. Left hand side half cell, right hand side half cell. The left hand side half cell consists of zinc sulfate solution in which the zinc rod is immersed. That is, zinc rod immersed into zinc, its own ionic solution, zinc sulfate. On the right hand side, the another half, we have copper rod that is immersed into its own ionic solution, that is copper sulfate solution. These both the rods are acting as the electrodes. They are connected in the external circuit through the voltmeter or ammeter that indicates the flow of electric current in the circuit. These two solutions are connected internally through this salt bridge. What is a salt bridge? It consists of a twice bent tube which is kept like this. It consists of agar-agar solution that is soaked into 1m KCl, or it can be 1m NH4Cl, or it can be K2SO4 also. As in this case, K2SO4 is being taken, sulfate ion movement and the potassium ion movement is being shown. Salt bridge. The role of the salt bridge is to provide internal connectivity to the solutions. If these two solutions are same, then there is no need to take this salt bridge, no need to provide this internal connectivity to the solutions. Now, let us see what is happening at the different electrodes, what is happening at the different half electrodes or half cells. This half cell, zinc rod, is in contact with the zinc ionic solution. What is happening here? Zinc electrode is getting oxidized. Zinc metal is getting oxidized by the liberation of electrons. What is happening on the right hand side electrode? The copper ions are getting reduced and they are getting deposited in the form of copper solid at the surface of the copper electrode. So as oxidation is taking place on the left hand side electrode, it is called as oxidation half. As reduction is taking place on the right hand side electrode, it is called as a reduction half cell. Oxidation half cell, reduction half cell. These together, these two half cell reactions is called as this is what the electrode where oxidation takes place is called as anode. The electrode where reduction takes place is called as the cathode. So at anode always oxidation will take place, at cathode always reduction will take place. These both the half cell reactions are combined to give us the overall reaction, that is zinc plus copper ions, giving you zinc ions and copper. You can see in this reaction also, zinc metal is getting oxidized and copper ions are getting reduced to copper. So this is the overall reaction that is taking place in this galvanic cell. Now let us see some more terms related to this. When we talk about the interface of different electrodes with their own ionic solution, what is the interface here? Zinc in contact with zinc ions. Now what happens at the interface? Interface is the area of contact, the area of, that is a boundary or the area of contact you can say. At the surface, at the interface, zinc metal has a tendency to go into solution in the form of zinc ions. Side by side, zinc ions also have a tendency to get reduced and get deposited in the form of zinc metal at the surface of electrode. So what happens here? The Metal is trying to go into the solution. From the solution, ions are trying to come into the metal. They both have tendency of both the reactions, but whichever competes, whichever subsides, whichever is subsiding the other one, whichever is more prominent, that will exceed, and that actually will take place at the reaction. It means the tendency of getting oxidized, metal of getting oxidized, supersedes the reaction of ions getting reduced at the metal surface. As a result, what happens at the interface? A potential difference, the separation of charge is developed. Separation of charges develops at the interface. This separation of charge is the reason of the electrode potential. Electrode potential. This electrode potential is further called as the standard electrode potential when the concentration of all the participating species, the concentration of all the participating species is unity. Unity means 1m. When the concentration of all the participating species is unity, that is 1m, then the electrode potential is called as standard electrode potential. Now, as we talked about this standard electrode potential of one electrode, in the same way there will be the standard electrode potential of the second electrode. Now, one has the oxidation electrode, one is the reduction electrode. But as we see that in the electrochemical series, all the electrode potentials are given in terms of the reduction electrodes, reduction potentials. Now, these reduction potentials are actually now termed as standard electrode potentials, which give us about the tendency of a metal getting oxidized or getting reduced.